Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to change your gender information in the Meesho application. Changing your gender in Meesho is pretty simple. Open the Meesho app on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will open up the Accounts tab. Click on your name at the top of the screen, and then this will take you to the Edit Profile Information page. Here, simply tap on the Gender drop-down and select your gender you want to change to. After selecting your preferred gender, you can then save the change by tapping Save at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you do that, you will be able to update your gender information. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.